Drones have become the new choice weapon of warfare. They have proven to be fast, deadly, and efficient. But how can you combat them? Well, some researchers are looking forward by using lasers. However, others are looking to the past. In Germany, engineers are drawing inspiration from ancient South America and the bola. The bola is a traditional throwing weapon made of 2 or 3 weighted cords designed to entangle the legs of animals. That same concept is now being reimagined for aerial combat. Researchers have developed a drone interception system that uses thin metal chains to disable UAVs. The system fires lightweight chains that wrap around a drone's frame and spinning rotors, halting the propellers and forcing a controlled crash. The concept has been validated through simulations analyzing geometry, friction, and motion dynamics, showing the chains can effectively coil around rotating blades mid-flight. Designed as a low-cost, mechanically simple alternative to complex counter-drone systems, the approach avoids costly explosives while advancing electronics. And to bring advanced designs to life, you need the right components. That's why engineers turn to Mouser Electronics. The M5 stack chain encoder is a compact rotary encoder input node in the M5 stack chain series. The encoder supports flexible system integration and compact interactive control designs. Its standout features include an integrated AB rotary encoder for direction detection, pulse counting, and button input, along with a programmable RGB LED for status feedback. This reliable chain encoder operates from 0 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius using UART-based daisy chain communication for scalable expansion. With LEGO-compatible mounting dual HY 2.04P interfaces and a 5-volt supply, the M5 stack chain encoder is ideal for human-machine interaction and smart home control applications. Check it out today by visiting Mouser.com or by clicking the link below. The Gizmo girls have taught us a lot about MOSFETs, but what are they used in? To help us understand, the girls take a trip to the beach.
What a vibe of a day, Janice.
It'll be more beautiful if our sea turtles hatch, Gigi.
We'll know when my phone drops a notice.
Yo, Gizmo girls, still cruising in that slow EV? My ride's got real muscle under the hood.
Want to test that theory, Chad?
Spoiler, MOSFETs say you're wrong.
In EVs, MOSFETs switch high voltage from the battery to the motor, fast.
Like thousands of times per second.
That rapid switching creates controlled power using pulse width modulation, or PWM.
English?
PWM is a method of controlling power by rapidly switching a signal on and off, while varying how long it stays on, known as the width of the pulse.
So actually, more on time equals more speed. Less on time equals slow.
So the motor isn't just on?
Nope. In things like EVs or smartphones, PWM lets MOSFETs precisely control voltage, current, speed, brightness, without wasting much energy.
Speaking of energy, our sea turtles are hatching.
Oh no! Look at the flock of seagulls overhead.
They better not have lunch on their mind.
Oh no! It's after the sea turtles! We gotta put it in drive!
I want to watch this Darwin in real time! I've got to stop the Gizmos!